Problem 6-90, we're going to be doing part D, and the problem lets us know that the shapes in part D are trapezoids. So let's go down here and have a look at that. But we also have it on the piece of paper over here. So we know a few of the side lengths, but we're missing X, Y, and Z, and we want to find those side lengths. So the first thing you can do to find the side lengths is first find what the scale factor is. And to find the scale factor, right up here, 1 second, grab the pencil. To find the scale factor, you need to know what a side length on the new shape and the corresponding side length on the original. I haven't chosen them yet, but I'm going to pick the smaller shape here to be the original, and this bigger shape over here to be the new shape. But you could have picked it the other way around. Alright, so the side length that we know on both of them is going to be this one on the left. So on the original it's 4 feet, and on the new shape it's 6 feet. Everything else we only know the side length on one of them. So we want to use this one here. So the new is going to be 6. And on the original it is going to be 4. So we can simplify that fraction and get 3/2 as our scale factor. So all the side lengths on the original are going to be multiplied by 3/2, and that's going to give us the side length on the original. So to find side length x, or side length of x, we know the side length on the original, which is 6. So we can just multiply that by the scale factor, so 3/2, and that will tell us the side length on the new shape. So x is going to equal 6 times 3/2. So you can solve that multiplication, do 6 times 3/2, which is going to be 18/2, which means x is going to equal 9. Alright, so we can find the answer for x. But for y and z, we only know the side lengths on the new shape. So instead of multiplying by the scale factor, we want to undo the dilation and go from the new shape to the original. So we're going to divide by 3/2 instead of multiplying by it. So let's start with y. So we know that the side length on the new shape is going to be 12 feet. And then we want to divide it by 3/2 to find it on the original. So to divide by 3/2, it's going to be the same thing as 12 multiplied by 2/3. And then we can just do that multiplication. 12 multiplied by 2/3 is going to be 24/3. And so y is going to equal 8. Alright, so on the original, y was 8. On the new, it was 12. And then the final side length is going to be z, which once again, we only know the side length on the new. So we know it becomes 5.7 feet. So then we want to divide by the scale factor, because we're undoing the dilation. So we want to divide by 3/2 to find what it was on the original. So to do that, we can, once again, flip the fraction and multiply. So z equals 5.7 multiplied by 2/3. And then we can just do this multiplication. So equals 5.7 times 2/3 will be 11.4/3. And then you can solve this fraction. So z is going to equal, let's see, it'll be 3.8, I think. Hopefully I'm not wrong about that one. So on the original, we had 3.8. Multiply it by the scale factor, which is 3/2, and we'll get 5.7 on the new shape.